to my channel called Nanotech. This is Wi-Fi dongle wireless. It's MoogMaX. It's good quality, full HD. Today I'll show you how to use this with your TV, with your phone. You have to connect this Samsung cable here, mini USB, and this one in HDMI, and this USB plug in TV or in the charging socket. So first I plug the HDMI and plug the USB to my HDMI and a USB, and then wait, and then see this wait. Okay, see pin number and device. This one I using for iPhone. First you connect the Wi-Fi, and then after that you go to the screen mirroring or any cast, you can play the iPhone. So now I will show you how to use Samsung or Huawei mobile. So first you have to remove this username password. So in case this, you have to switching mode for this device. You need a safety pin, and you can see this hole. You press this 3 seconds and remove. After that you can see switch to miracast. So now here I have one Huawei Android device. First you have to go this pen icon, and then go this Wi-Fi, and you can see this one. Press this and it will be connect. Wait. And guys, you can see here it's working. Okay, now you can use Wi-Fi, YouTube, working everything. Okay, now I play 4K video. Display HD. You can see working without setting any Wi-Fi. Just go to the pen icon and wireless display, and you can see the device name. Press that, it's working. For the Samsung device, you have to go to screen mirroring or smart view. For the latest Samsung device, its name is smart view. It's like the app. You go and see the smart view here, and press the smart view. You can see that name of device. Press the name of device, it will be working with you. And this is the Huawei device. Now I'll show you how to connect with Samsung device. Thank you guys. Okay guys, now I have a Samsung device, and go to the settings, and this side you can see the smart view. But the old mobile Samsung have the screen mirroring, so you have to use this smart view, and you can see the name of device. Just press this and wait. Sure. You see guys, working with Samsung without any settings, the Wi-Fi here is working to Wi-Fi. You can see working to Wi-Fi and working YouTube, everything you want. See, and it's working very clear. Thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.
What did you do to me?